triangle has an area of 96 meters square. The base of the triangle is 12 meters. What is the length of the longest side? So unachora hiyo right angle triangle. Base ni 12, hii ni height, longest ni hii hypotenuse from here up to here. H, capital H hypotenuse is the longest. So ili tupate hii, kwanza lazima tupate height. So how do you get area? Is equal to a half base times height. Area which is 96 is equal to a half times 12 times H. So 96 is equal to 6H divided by 6 divided by 6. So H is equal to 16. So ikienda hapa mara moja inaenda 16. So hapa ni 16. So we want H. Capital H square is equal to 12 square plus 16 square. H square is equal to 144 plus 16 square ni 256, which is equal to 400. So H is the square root of that, which is equal to 20 meters. So the hypotenuse, the long is 20. The figure below, the figure PQRS is a rectangle. You can see here. What is the area of the shaded? So tunataka kutafuta the area of the shaded region. Kutoka hapa mpaka hapa ni 16. Kutoka hapa mpaka hapa ni 4. So kutoka hapa mpaka hapa ni 12. Kutoka hapa mpaka hapa ni 4. Kutoka hapa mpaka hapa ni 10. So kutoka hapa mpaka hapa ni 6 centimeters. Sasa tuna calculate the area of the whole triangle, the rectangle, which is length times width, which is 16 times 10, ambayo ni 160 centimeter square. Then tuna calculate the area of each this unshaded region. Tunaanza na hii a half times 12 times 6. Hii mara moja hapa 6. Hiyo tutapata 36 centimeters square plus a half times hii one. This is a right angle triangle. Height ni 10, base ni hii, so itakuwa times 4 times 10. Itakuwa 20 centimeters square. Tumemaliza hii, tunakuja hii. Hii ni right angle triangle, so it is a half times 4 times 16. 8. So hiyo ni 32. So 32 plus this 8, 6, 8. So the area of unshaded is 88. But the total area is 160. So unshaded is equal to 160 minus 88, which is equal to 72 centimeters square. The area of one end of a cylindrical pipe is 8 centimeter. The pipe is this. What is the length in meters? So hiyo ni kitu kama hii ni pipe. So area one side like this side here ni 8 centimeters square. Height hatujui, ndio tunatafuta. We are looking for the height. Now kwa sababu our area is in meters, our area of the base is centimeter square and the volume here is meters, so let us convert this volume into centimeters cube. Tunajua kwamba 1 million centimeters cube is equal to 1 meter cube. So tutauliza 4 meter cube itakuwa ngapi? Itakuwa 4 million centimeters cube. Area volume equal to base area times height. So 4 million equal to base area, which is 8 times h, divided by 8, divided by 8. So if you divide by this one, you get here 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 500 500 centimeters. That is the height. But we were asked to get the height in meters. This one is centimeter. So to convert it to meters, you divide by 100. So the answer is 5,000 meters. A tank had 25 liters of water. The water was poured into a container which has a square base of side this. What was his height of the what was the height of the water in the container? Kwanza wacha tubadilishe hii water in liters ikwe kwa centimeters. Tunajua 1000 centimeters cube equal to 1 liter. So tutauliza 2125 liters itakuwa ngapi? Itakuwa 2125 123 centimeters cube. So tuko na ambayo ni cube. Kwa hivyo kama side moja ni 250, hii side ni 250 pia, because it has a cube iko na all sides equal. H we don't have. So hii volume ndio inamwagwa hapa ndani. So inamaanisha to get the height it is 2125, we divide by 250 times 250, hiyo inatupea height, kwa sababu hii ni base area times height. So our height is going to be 34 centimeters. Hii na hii inaisha, hii na hii inaisha, and then you cancel this one here. 425, 5 here 5 here, 5 here. A school has enough food to feed 800 learners for 20 days. If 20 more learners were admitted to the school, how many days could the same food be able to feed all the learners? So learners 800, they take 20, they eat that food 20. So 20 more learners, it means the total of learners is going to be 1,000. 800 plus 200 itakuwa 1,000. How many days? Obviously, kwa sababu watoto wameongezeka, days zitakuwa kidogo. Si days zitapungua ambao watakula hiyo chakula. Kwa hiyo sasa tuna reduce 20% by saying it is 800 divided by 1,000. Tuna divide by kubwa ndio hii reduce. Itakuwa 16 days. A lorry weighs 7,200 kg when empty. It weighs 12.6 tons. 12.6 tons when loaded with 90 kg bags. How many bags of maize are loaded on the lorry? So total weight of the lorry itakuwa 12.6 times 1,000. We are changing tons to kilograms. Itakuwa 12,600 kilograms. 02. Empty lorry ni 72,000. So we subtract and get 12,600 minus 7,200 so this is the kilograms for the maize. So one bag equal to 90 kilograms. So how many 5400 kg? Here itakuwa how many? So itakuwa 54 times 1 divided by 90. So ni 60 bags of maize. In a triangle, construct a perpendicular line from point P to meet line PQ at point W. So from here. So you stand at point P, mark a point here, mark another one there, like this. Alafu fungua protractor yako, simama hapa, mark this point, simama tena hapa, mark this point. Now join this point here and this one, utakuwa umebisect hiyo. You have drawn a perpendicular bisector from here, and now you measure this. This is W. You realize that it is 3 centimeters. So line RW is 3 centimeters. The three angles of a triangle are x minus 4, and 3x minus 1. What is the size of the smallest angle of the triangle? Smallest. So let us get the value of x. X plus x minus 4 plus 3x minus 1. Because this is a triangle, the total angles in a triangle should be 180. Lazima. So tuongeze hii na hii. Tapata ni 5x minus 4 minus 1, the answer is 180. Niko na deni ya shilingi nyingine tena, niombe deni nyingine, itakuwa na deni ya shilingi 5. So it is 5x minus 5, which is 180. Hii itaenda hapa ikuwe positive. 5x equal to 180 plus 5. So 5x is equal to 185. X is equal to 37. Kwa hivyo x peke yake ni 37, x minus 4 itakuwa 33. So the smallest is 33 degrees. Which of the following is true for both equilateral triangle and a rectangle? Equilateral triangle and a rectangle. All sides are equal. That is wrong, because a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. All angles are equal. That is, all angles are equal. This is very true, because in equilateral 60, 60, 60. For a rectangle, we go 90, 90, 90. So this one is true. All angles add up to 180. That is wrong. That is only for triangles. All angles add up to 360. That is wrong. That is for rectangle, square. So the answer is P. John walked a distance of 9 kilometers from home to the market. He then walked back home. The whole journey took 3 hours. Kwa hivyo kama alienda 9 kilometers to the market na akarudi, amecover a distance of 18 kilometers. Ametake 3 hours. Lakini tunajua tuna average speed. Speed equal to distance over time, which is 18 divided by 3. So it is 6 kilometers per hour. 2 sisters shared 3,600 in the ratio 3:5. What is the difference in the amount of money received by the sister? Kwa hivyo our sister wa kwanza alipata 3 over the total. The total is 3 plus 5, which is 8 times 36. Na wa pili alipata 5 over 8 times 36. Hii inaenda hapa mara 4 and then 5 0. Hii inaenda hapa mara 450. So this times hii itakuwa 135 0. Hii ukipiga times hii itakuwa 250. So huyu alipata hii na huyu akapata hii. What is the difference in the amount? Ni 2250 minus 1350. So the difference is 900 D. What is the measure of angle WXY XZ, this one. This is the angle we want. So you take your protractor, put it like this. So our angle that we want is this, which is 75. Right? So this is 75. You are seeing 75? Yes. A salesperson is paid a monthly salary of 9,000. She is also paid a commission of 10% for all goods sold above 10,000. In a certain month, her total earnings were 10,500. What was the total sales of goods in that month? This is about commission. Kuna video nimetengeneza ya commission discount na percentage profit. The link nitaiweka kwa description so that uende uangalie kama hujaelewa hii vizuri. So we can see the total is this one. So in commission pake yake itakuwa ni 10,500 minus 9,000 and our commission will be 1,500. Hiyo ndio commission. So 10% of 100 times x, the money we don't know, will give us the commission 1,500. So this is 110x over 100 is equal to 1,500. Tunapiga hii times c divide by this. So tunataka tutoe hii 10 hapa, tuna multiply both sides by 100 times 100. So 10x itakuwa 1,015, 1, 2. Tunataka x una divide by both sides by 10. So x itakuwa 15,000. So kwa hivyo this is the money, this is the goods sold above 10,000. These were above 10,000. So what was the total? Total is 15,000 plus 10,000, which is equal to 25,000 shillings. That is the total. A tourist traveled from Mombasa to Nairobi by bus. The bus left Mombasa 1:45 p.m. Took 9.5 hours to arrive Nairobi. What time in 24 clock system did the bus arrive in Nairobi? So ilikuwa saa 7:45 p.m. Ikachukua 9 hours 30 minutes. I have ni 30 minutes. Sawa? So tunaongeza 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 imepita 60 minutes. So tuna 60 itakuwa 75. So 75 and this one is 10. Sawa? Lakini hii ni 1 hour and 15 minutes. So we subtract 60, we have 5. 1, we carry this 1 hour to this, so we have 11. So ilifika 11:15 p.m. Lakini tunataka hours in 24 clock system. So 24 clock system tunaongeza 12 hapa. So 11.15 plus 12.00 tunapata ni 23:15. So in clock system, 24 clock system itakuwa 23:15 hours. Oh, this one was C. A cylindrical tin has a diameter of 14 and a height of 30 cm. The curved surface of the tin is covered by a label. What is the total area of the tin? So curved surface area of a tin. Radius, diameter tumeambiwa ni 14, height ni 30. Curved surface area ni hii. Hiyo ndio inaitwa curved surface area. sawa, na hiyo ukizunguka hiyo pande hiyo nyingine, hiyo ndio inaitwa curved surface area. So what is the formula for getting curved surface area of a cylinder? Is 2 pi RH or pi dH. So kwa sababu niko na diameter, let me use this one. So curved surface area equal to 22/7 times the diameter 14 times height 30. Which is 44 times 3, 12, 13 centimeters square. The average mass of 40 pupils in a class is 41.8. When the mass of the teacher was added, the average mass became this. What was the mass of the teacher? Kwa hivyo kwanza tupate the mass of the pupils. Pupil moja ni 41.8 times 40. So ukipiga wrong multiplication hapa utapata the total students walikuwa na 1672 kilograms. Ukipiga hii times hii. And then wakiongeza mpaka mwalimu, mass yao average inakuwa 42.7. Sasa wamekuwa 40 plus mwalimu utakuwa 41 times 41. Average yao ukipiga hii times hii unapata inakuwa 1750.7 kilograms. Kwa hivyo sasa kama hii wanafunzi ni hii na mwalimu, mpaka mwalimu akiwa ni hii, tunafuata aje ya mwalimu peke yake, tunatoa hii kutoka hapa. So it is 1750 minus 16, 72.0. 7, 8, here it is 14. 14 minus 7. So mwalimu atakuwa 78.7 kilograms. A cylindrical tank of radius 5 meter and a height of 3.5 meter is full of water. On a certain day, the level of water dropped by 14 centimeters after being used for irrigation. How many liters of water were used on that day? Very good. But we know the volume of a cylinder is given by pi r square h. That is the volume, the formula for the volume of a cylinder. So we have been given r is equal to 3.5. That is the radius. No, the radius is 5 meters. So let us change this radius into centimeters. Ndio ikuwe uniform na hii. So this one radius is going to be 500 centimeters. Radius ni 500 centimeter. And then the height ya maji drop on the certain day, the level of water dropped by 14. So hii ndio imetumika. 14.6 centimeter ndio imetumika. Kwa hivyo tunataka how many liters of water were used. That is simple. Now it is 22/7 times radius, which is 500 centimeters, times 500 centimeters, times height. Our height is 3.5. No, it is 14 kwa sababu tunataka yenye ilitumika. 14. So ukipiga hiyo times hiyo inakuletea 1. Okay, this is 25. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 44. So unapiga times 44 hapa. 20, 10. 20, 10. So itakuwa 0, 0, 1, 1. 0 ngapi? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So itakuwa 11 million centimeters cube. Hiyo ndio maji ilifanya nini? Ilitumika. Lakini tumeambiwa tuweke in liters. So we know 1 liter equal to 1000 centimeters cube. So hapa tuna divide by 1000. So tutapata ni 1, 2, 3, 11,000 liters. 11,000 liters. Okay. The figure below shows a semicircle of radius 3.5 and I crossed in a rectangle. So kama radius kutoka hapa mpaka hapa, hiyo ni radius kwa sababu kutoka hapa mpaka hapa ni diameter. Hapa ni 3.5. Hapa ni 3.5. So kutoka hapa mpaka hapa ni 7. Sawa, 7 centimeters. 3.5 plus 3.5. So first let us get the area of now this rectangle. Length times width. 7 times 3.5. And that one will give us 24.5 centimeters square. So the area of the whole rectangle is 24.5 centimeter. 24.5. Tunataka area of the shaded haka. So let us now calculate the area of the unshaded, which is the semicircle. Area of a semicircle is given by a half pi r square, which is a half times 22/7 times 3.5 times 3.5. Hii mara moja hapa 11. Hii mara moja hapa 0.5. So 5.5 times 3.5. Sawa? Hiyo inatuletea 19.25 centimeters square. So the area of the unshaded region, which is the semicircle, is 19.25. Now what is the area of the shaded? So shaded equal to the total area 24.5 minus 19.25. Inatupea 5.25 centimeters square. Mercy had 5 bags of maize and Peter had 3. The mass of one bag is this. Which of the following expression will show the total mass? So 5 plus 3, 8. 8 times this, 8x, plus 8 times 10 is 80. So this is the expression for the total. What is this in simplest form? So inaenda mara moja hapa, mara 8. Mara moja hapa, mara 4. Mara moja hapa, mara 5. Mara moja hapa, mara 9. So we will have 8g plus 4f plus 5g plus, this is 3, plus 3g f. So itakuwa 13g plus 4 plus 7f. What is this value? This is x square plus this, given x is 8, y is equal to 6. So tuna substitute. Mahali unaona x unaweka 8, mahali unaona y unaweka 6. Kwa hivyo this is going to be 8 square plus 6 square divided by 8 minus 6. Itakuwa 64 plus 36 divided by 2. Itakuwa 100 divided by 2 ambayo ni 50. Using a ruler and a pair of compass only, construct an equilateral triangle XYZ, which is 7 cm. Construct the circle that passes through the vertices. What is the measure of the diameter of the circle? So I've measured 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. And this is the line. I can even say this is x, y. Because it is an equilateral, inamaanisha kila mahali itakuwa 7, so unaweka hiyo mark na unasimama hapo unaweka mark. Kufanya hivyo unaunganisha sasa hii hapa, hii point mahali na meet. Weka rula yako, joinisha hapo. Weka another this side. Very good. So now we want to, ili upitishe sako kwa vertices hapa, una bisect line mbili. Aidha hii na hii, any two lines. So to bisect a line unasimama hapa. Una open your pair of compass, half that line. Ukishafungua half una mark hapa na una mark hapa chini. Sawa? juu chini. The same distance unachukua pande ingine, una mark hapa, una mark hapa. Unachukua rula yako, unaunganisha. Nime bisect x, y. So kuna z hapa. So bisect also y, z. So simama hapa kwa y, mark here, mark this side. Simama kwa z, mark this, mark that. Sawa? Unganisha B na hiyo. So hapa mahali hizi line mbili perpendicular bisectors na meet, hapa ndio center. So unasimama hapo, unafungua, hii inakuwa radius to our point. Sawa? So unaona inapita kwa z, inapita y. So now you draw a circle. Sawa? Now you measure the radius of the circle. The radius of the circle is 4 centimeters. Are you seeing it is 4 centimeters? Yeah, it is for 0. This is my 0. Here 0. So this is 4. But the diameter is going to be 4 times 2, so 8. So our answer is D, 8 centimeters. The following are the properties of a certain quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a figure with 4 sides. 4 sides. Diagonals are equal. Diagonals bisect each other at 90. Has 2 pairs of parallel lines. Interior angles are equal. What is the name of the quadrilateral described by the properties? These properties. What is the name? Diagonals are equal. Square and rhombus, the diagonals are equal. That is okay. Diagonals bisect each other at 90. That can be a rhombus or a square. Very good. So hapa nishatoa rectangle. Parallelogram nishatoa kwa sababu the diagonals don't meet at 90. Has 2 pairs of parallel lines. 2 pairs of parallel lines. Interior angles are equal. Interior angles are equal. Interior angles of a rhombus are not equal. Rhombus inakuwa hivi. Hii angle na hii haitoshani. This angle and this are not equal. But for a square, this angle na hii angle, this angle and this angle are equal, and it is 90, 90, 90, 90. So the answer is a square. Mark bought a piece of land for 1,500,000. 1.5 million. After some years, he subdivided the land into 8 equal parts. He sold each part, brought at 350,000. What was the percentage profit made from the sale of each? Kwa hivyo ameuza 350 times 8, 40, carry 1, 24, 24 plus 4, 28, 1, 2, 3. So ameuza 2.8 million. Yeye alikuwa amenunua 1,500,000. So tunaweza pata profit. Profit ni 0.0031. So profit ni hii. Percentage profit is equal profit over the original times 100. So that is 13. $1 million divided by the original 1,500, 1.5 million. times 100. Yes, and this one will give us 86, 2/3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1300 divided by this inakupea 86.3%. The table shows a bus fare for adults in shillings between different towns. Amina and her 2 children, so alikuwa na watoto wawili. Amina traveled from K to P via N. The bus fare for a children is a half that of the adult. Hapo ndio point iko. Kwa hivyo wametoka K wanaenda P lakini wanapitia N, so watatoka K wafike N. So N watalipa 600. Mtu mzima mmoja analipa 600. Mtoto mmoja ni a half. Kwa hivyo wako wawili. 300 plus 300 itakuwa 600. Wamefika hapa N. Sawa? Tena watatoka N waende P. Wakienda P, mtu mzima atalipa 200 plus watoto na wawili 100 itakuwa 200. So hii itakuwa 1200 plus 400. Itakuwa 1600. Nicholas paid 4,000 for carpet after getting a discount of 20%. What would have been the percentage discount had he bought the carpet for Kenya shilling this one? So kwanza tupate kabla apewe discount alinunua ngapi. Discount ni less than 100. So 100 minus 20 itakuwa 80%. So 80% is equal to 4,000. 100 ilikuwa ngapi kabla atolewe hiyo ya juu? Itakuwa 1,000. 100 times 4,000 divided by 80. So kabla itolewe ilikuwa 50,000. So market price ilikuwa 5,000. Market price ilikuwa 5,000. Kwa hivyo kama angelipa 3,800 ni 5,000 minus 38. So angelipa 1,200. Discount is equal percentage discount is equal distance over the original 5,000 times 100. So itakuwa 24%. Angetolewa 24%. The market price of a radio was shilling 3,200. The higher purchase price was 115% of the market price. Mutua bought the radio on higher purchase terms. He paid a deposit of 1,680 and 4 equal monthly installments. How much money was each monthly installment paid? Kama uko na shida na higher purchase, kuna video in the link. Check the video in the link in the description. In the description ni hapa chini. Hapo ukiklik hapo utapata video yenye nimefanya kwa higher purchase, itakusaidia. So higher purchase is always more than market price, ndio maana unaona iko 115. So 100% ni 3,200. What about 115% higher purchase? So itakuwa ni 115 times 32 divided by this. Kifanya hivyo inakupea 3,680. Sawa, hii sasa ni higher purchase. But tunajua higher purchase is equal to deposit plus monthly installment. Sawa. So higher purchase which is 3,680 equal to deposit which is 1,680 plus months times installment. But months, we have 4 equal months, so that is 4 times this. So tutakuwa na 3680 like terms together minus 1680 will be equal to 4i for installments. So this one will give us 2,000 is equal to 4i. So per month installment alikuwa analipa per month alikuwa analipa 500 shillings. So it is shilling 500 per month. A road measuring 1.5 kilometer is represented on a map by a line measuring 7.5 centimeter. What is the scale of the map? So 7.5 centimeters to 1.5 kilometers. Lazima hii ikue, the units ikue same. So let us convert 1.5 kilometers to centimeters by multiplying by 100,000. So now itakuwa 7.5 to 15,1,2,3,4 centimeters. Na tunataka ikue 1,2. So ili tupate 1,2 tuna divide by 7.5, divide by 7.5. So itakuwa 1,2. Hapa iko na decimal point moja, so tunatoa decimal times 10 times 10. So tutakuwa na 15,1,2,3,4,5 divide by 75. Sawa? So 15 hapa inaenda mara 5, 15 hapa inaenda mara moja, 0 0 0 0 0. Hii inaenda mara moja hapa inaenda 20 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 to 20,000. And that is the scale, which is D. Atieno deposited 4,800 in a bank. The bank paid a simple interest at the rate of 12% per annum. How much money did she have in the bank at the end of the 9 months? But tunajua interest, simple interest is equal to rate times time, principal times time over 100. So principal ilikuwa 48 times rate 12 over 100 times time, which is 9 over 12 because they are in months. So 12 na 12 itaenda, hii na hii itaisha. So interest itakuwa 48 times 9. Na hiyo itakuwa ni ngapi? 432. Hiyo ni interest peke yake. Kwa hivyo total amount in the bank itakuwa ile yenye aliweka deposit, that is the principal. Ukiongeza interest 432. Itakuwa 2 3 1 2 5. So itakuwa 52 shillings in the bank. 3x plus 8 equal to 4 into x plus 4. Open the bracket, this times is 3x plus e times itakuwa 24 is equal to 4x plus 16. Like terms together, ichukua hii pande hii kuje huku. Ikifuka equal signs inakuwa negative. So 24 minus 16 equal to 4x minus 3x. 8 is equal to x. So x is equal to 8. And that is P. Which of the following net will form a triangular prism? A triangular prism, iwezi kuwa hii ni, iwezi kuwa hiyo. D. The figure shows an incomplete stack of cubes. How many cubes are in the stack? So tunataka kujua hizi ni ngapi. Sometimes they ask how many cubes are missing. So inategemea na question. So hapa wanataka hizi zenye zimechorwa hapa ni ngapi. Kwa hivyo kwanza tunaweza pata zote zingekuwa ngapi. Unahesabu tu 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 6 times 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is times 6 times 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 6 times 6 itakuwa 216. Kwa hivyo zote ni 216. So wacha tuone ni ngapi aziko. Sawa, ni ngapi aziko? Kuna hii. So zile ambazo aziko tunahesabu hapa. What is missing is 1 2 3 4 5, so hizo ni 5. 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 times 5. Kwenda juu ni ngapi zinakosa? Ni kuanzia hapa kwa sababu already ya chini iko, so ni 1 2 3 4 5 times 5, so hii inatupea 125. So 125 are missing na total ingekuwa 216. So what is there now is 260. Zile zingefaa kwa minus 125 inakupea 91. So here what is present here is 91. Ama unaweza hesabu tu moja moja, 1 2 3 like that, na utapata 91.